So I understand that frustration of writing an ebook and not being able to sell it or not being able to generate money from it. Okay. So if you want to avoid being in that frustration, this is a video that you should watch. Okay. If you want to create an ebook that sells, one of the most important factors that you should consider is the idea behind the ebook and, of course, the topic structure. Because before people start reading your ebook, the topic or the title is what attracts them, right? The title of the ebook is what attracts them. So you can call this the ebook topic ideas or the ebook title ideas, whichever one you want to call it. Is either the ebook topic ideas or the ebook title ideas. So you want to write an ebook and make money from it. Then there are certain titles or topics that sell faster and generate more money than the others. In this video, we're going to look at 5 of these title ideas and how you can tweak this, because I'm going to give examples. So you can tweak this and make them fit into your own ebook structure, your title, your topics, or whatever it is you're writing about. Because if you go ahead and just write any kind of ebook, you will struggle to find buyers. I don't want to waste time. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video so that more people get to see my video. If you are new to the channel and you'd like to see more content around how to make money online, marketing, sales, advertising, and online business, you may consider subscribing to my channel, and also you turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So the first one is the how-to titles, the how-to topics. Okay, so this ebook structure teaches you how to do something or become something. Okay, even if you are something, it can even teach you how to become something more or how to do something in a different way. For example, how to import from China without an agent. Now, people are struggling. People struggle with importing stuff from China. People struggle with, they don't even know how to import. They don't even have an agent. They don't even know when they are going to receive it. They don't know how to make payments. Those kind of things are the questions that people are asking. So in your own ebook, if you have this knowledge, if you have been importing and it is easier for you, you can create an information product, an ebook that teaches people how to import from China to Nigeria, from China to Ghana, from China to wherever you are, without using an agent. And then you go ahead to outline what they are going to learn: how to import, how to get your address, how to make payments, how to find suppliers, those kind of structures. But the main idea that people are going to get from the book is that they are going to be able to import without the need of looking for agents. You can also teach how to export snail to over 15 European countries. So if you can easily find snail, if you have done this business and if you have been exporting before, it is easy. You can replace the snail with something else. You can say how to export okwa, how to export whatever it is you want to export, how to export palm oil, how to export ijebugari, whatever it is you want to export, right? How to export XYZ to over 15 European countries without an agent. These are ideas and topic structures that sell your ebook faster. Even before the person flipped through the page, they have seen it, they like it already. Let's go to the next one. So the second one is how to use. The first one is how to. The second one is how to use. Now, this ebook teaches how you can use something to accomplish a particular result or a peculiar result. How to use something to accomplish a peculiar result. How to use this to treat this. How to use that to treat that. Okay? How to use essential oil for healthy skin. How to use InShot to edit YouTube videos. These are the examples. So you can tweak these examples and add your own stuff to it. But these are the kind of ideas, the kind of topics that people can see. Probably when they see your adverts as they are scrolling through social media, through Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, when they see your advert, they stop and they pay attention to it. How can I use this? How to use Twitter to build your influence? How to use Twitter to grow your business? How to use Twitter to make sales in affiliate marketing? How to use this? How to use that? You begin to teach these things. You can have the best ebook in the world, but if the topic is not relating, if people cannot relate with your topic or with your title, they will skip it. The title is the first thing that attracts them. So use these structures to write your ebooks henceforth. Let's go to the third one. The step-by-step guide. Okay, now this topic is a spin-off from the auto. It's a spin-off, complete spin-off from the auto ebooks. So you simply share a step-by-step process or a step-by-step actionable process to learn something or do something. Okay. The amazing thing about the step-by-step is that you can infuse it or you can combine it with the how-to. So you can use both the how-to topic and the step-by-step topic on one title or on a title and a subtitle. I'll give you an example. Example is how to start affiliate marketing with zero money. Then the sub is a step-by-step guide on how to make your first 10 affiliate sales with zero money. So you can tweak this thing to fit into your own idea of what you want to write about. Because your aim of writing this ebook is to sell it and generate income from it. So if you don't have the right kind of title structure that will compel or persuade people to pay money to learn what you have there, then they're not going to buy and you end up being frustrated. Yeah. So therefore, when you use the how-to, you can also use the step-by-step guide along with it. These two works hand in hand, and it's amazing what you can achieve using these structural topic structures or title structures to build up the demand or to build up the desire for your ebook. Let's move to the next one. The fourth one is the ultimate guide. Now, this is a detailed discussion on accomplishing a particular result. The detailed, you pour out a lot, you reveal so much. It's a revelation. The ultimate guide is more of a revelation. Okay. Example is the ultimate SEO guide on how to start blah 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 blah, on how to start blah blah blah. All right. The ultimate SEO guide on how to rank first page on Google. Okay. I think I wanted to make a different example here. So the ultimate SEO guide on how to rank first page on Google search. The ultimate SEO guide on how to do this. The ultimate guide on how to start mini importation business with 50,000 naira only. The ultimate guide on how to make your first 200,000 naira on affiliate marketing with zero amount spent. You just need to be creative, find ways to build in your own ideas into this kind of topic structures, into this kind of title structures. You creatively building your own ideas. You have seen the examples I gave. You can now tweak it to accommodate your own ideas, to accommodate the stuff that you want to sell. Okay? These are the ways that you can get people to part with their money, to give you their money. All right, the ultimate guide on how to last 45 minutes in bed using natural remedies without any side effects. Now, it is common knowledge. There are many people out there who could barely hold on for 2 seconds, for 3 seconds, for 4 seconds. Guys, yeah? Now, if these people come across this kind of topic, they will be interested in buying it. And one more thing that helps you sell faster and sell more is that your pricing is very, very moderate. You don't put them at a very higher price. It's ebook. Ebooks are not expensive. It's not a journal. It's not a documentary. It's an ebook, for Christ's sake. Yeah. So it has to be moderately priced so that more people, it has to have that mass appeal. This very topic, the ultimate guide on how to last 45 minutes in bed using natural remedy without any side effects. This has a mass appeal. So more people are going to buy it. So if you put this topic now at probably 2,000, 3,000, 1,500, 3,000, 2,500, 2,000, people are going, it's easier for them to pay that money and get the results fast. It's easier for them to pay that money because it is affordable. The ultimate guide on how to lose belly fat without going to the gym. The ultimate guide. most people are lazy to go to the gym. It's a lot of work for them, but if they can have some things that they need to start doing at home to help them lose belly fat, they would gladly jump on it. So if you have this knowledge and these ideas, you can put them in form of an ebook and sell and make money. Let's get to the next one. Number 5, yeah, the dash dash book, then dash 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 dash. I gave example here, the cookbook, 50 Nigerian local delicacies you can make in 30 minutes. The cookbook, 30 African delicacies you can make with less than $20. If you sell this one to Yankee, if you sell this one to the people in the abroad, Baba, you go make money. They are going to buy it. In fact, because you know why they want to buy it? The inquisition, the inquisitiveness in these things. You are leaving them guessing. What is the curiosity? There's a lot of curiosity on these topics, on these titles. All right, they are curious. What are these 50 local delicacies that they can prepare, they can make in 30 minutes? What are these 30 African delicacies that they can make with less than $20? The curiosity will make them want to spend the money, buy it from you, and learn what you know. Curiosity. It's intriguing, it's exciting. They really want to find out what is behind these topics. If you write boring titles for your ebook, you will struggle to sell it because it is boring. Nobody wants the boring stuff. So I believe that with these 5 structures that I've given out, you can actually watch this video again, learn them better, implement them, tweak them, make changes where necessary, put your own topic so that you can be able to attract people at the first glance and they can buy from you. All right, please, if you found this video helpful, do well to like the video. Yeah, leave a comment. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer you in the comment section. If you have any contributions, please go ahead and drop them in the comments here. I am here to respond to all your comments, all your questions, and give you proper guidance. Also, please share this video with as many you know who find it helpful. You can follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. My name is Courage Ngele. And one more thing, if you come across any comments within this comment section with a WhatsApp number and my picture claiming to be me, please do not contact anyone who drops their WhatsApp number in the comment section. That's not me. They are fraudulent people. I will never drop my WhatsApp number in the comment sections of a YouTube video. If you want to contact me on WhatsApp, go to my Twitter bio. Go to my Twitter bio. You would see the link there. Click on that link. It will take you to where you can check me out on WhatsApp. All right. So this is my handle here. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram at Courage Ngele. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.